straight line. Suppose we are having a straight line. Let's say 2x plus 3y is equals to 24. Okay. This is a equation of a straight line, right? Linear equation containing two variables. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I will ask you, what is the x-intercept over here? X-intercept. Do you understand intercept means what? And y-intercept? So actually, x-intercept means we will be having the graph of this line 2x plus 3y is equals to 24. While talking about x-intercept, we are thinking that where exactly the graph is touching the x-axis. Where exactly the graph is touching the x-axis, that's called x-intercept. And y-intercept means where exactly the graph is intersecting or touching the y-axis, that's called y-intercept. Now for finding the x-intercept and y-intercept, you can recall previously maybe in lower classes, okay, we can take for finding the x-intercept, okay, that means a point on the x-axis, wherever the line is intersecting the x-axis. To get that point, we can say we don't know about x, but we know y will be 0 over here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So in this equation, the moment you will put y as a 0, okay, the moment you will put y as a 0, you will be getting a x value. Now randomly we are not substituting y as a 0. With proper understanding, we are substituting y as a 0 with understanding that x-intercept means wherever the line is intersecting the x-axis, that's called x-intercept. There the coordinate, we will be having a coordinate, whatever is the x coordinate, we don't have any idea about that, but the y will be 0 over there, and hence we are putting y in this equation. The moment we will put y as a 0 in this equation, we will be having 2x is equals to 24, and we will be getting x is equals to 12. So the coordinate over here will be 12 comma 0. X intercept, when written in the coordinate form, it will be 12 comma 0, or we can also write x-intercept is 12. Making sense? Is it making sense, Manvi, Mariam, Nabila? Are you getting it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept means where exactly the line, this graph is intersecting the y-axis. Where exactly this graph is intersecting the y-axis. Now we don't know how to find the y-intercept. Okay, but we are pretty sure about it that whatever will be the coordinate over here x will be 0. Okay, here we'll be having a coordinate where x, just a second, no? Yeah. Here we'll have a coordinate where x will be 0. Whatever will be y, x will be 0. Okay. Y can be negative also. Okay. The graph which I am showing on the upper part, okay, in the upper direction of y-axis, that I also don't know how exactly the graph will move. It can be in the downward direction also, that we will be getting after substituting x 0 in this equation. The moment you will put x as a 0, when you will put x as a 0 in the given original equation, you will be getting, okay, 2 times 0 plus 3y is equals to 24, and you will be getting 3y is equal to 24. Hence y is equals to 8 times 24. So the coordinate over here will be 0 comma 8. This is not random point. This is very, very, very important point, and that's called y-intercept. It can be written in two different ways. You can write y-intercept coordinate is 0 comma 8. Okay, y-intercept is 0 comma 8, or maybe you can write y-intercept is equals to 8. Whoever will read that y-intercept is equals to 8, they will understand, okay, this is the point. Okay, this is the y value where the graph is intersecting the y-axis. Are you getting it? Yes. Are you getting Manvi, Mariam? Is it making sense? Mariam, are you getting it?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so this is how we'll be finding x-intercept and y-intercept. These two are really, really, really important coordinate on a line. Okay, you will be having the line like this. I can show you the line with the help of the software, and you will find the x-intercept which we have found and the y-intercept which we have found. That, okay, these are the intercepts over there as well in the actual graph. Okay, so you need to understand on this line there are so many points. It contains infinitely many coordinates on it. Okay, but these two coordinate which we found just now, these two are really important coordinate known as x-intercept and y-intercept. Is it clear so far? Yes, please copy it, Mariam and Manvi. Let me know once you are done. Manvi and Mariam, you are copying it, right? Let me know once you are done. Yes, Neha, Aisha. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here one equation I have taken. Just now I started with this concept. Here I have taken a equation, okay, a linear equation in two variable, the circle one. Okay, and we are discussing what is the meaning of x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, now there is a graph of this line. X-intercept means where, okay, the point where this line is intersecting the x-axis. Just focus on the name, you will never ever get confused with this one. X-intercept means this line is intersecting the x-axis at a point, that's called x-intercept. X-intercept, and we are trying to find that. We were thinking how to find the x-intercept. Okay, nothing was known over here. These points and everything just now I have written. Just we had to find the x-intercept, and we were thinking what to do, what to do, what to do. Then we realized that here we will be having a coordinate. We don't know what x will be there, but y will be 0 over here. We are sure about that. We are confident about that. So we took y is equals to 0 in the original equation we have substituted. The moment we have substituted y is a 0 in the original equation, we got 2x is equals to 24, which has given us x is equals to 12. So our x-intercept is 12 comma 0, or maybe it can also be written like this, that x-intercept is 12. You need to understand whenever this terminology will be given that x-intercept is 13. That means the graph is intersecting the x-axis at that point. Okay, 13 comma 0, where x is 13. Is it making sense? Is it making sense, Aisha and Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we found y-intercept with the understanding that y-intercept means the graph is intersecting the y-axis at a point. That point's coordinate we want to find. We don't know how to find the coordinate. We have taken x as a 0. Okay, x as a 0, because here on the y-axis, whatever will be y can be positive, y can be negative, y can be any number, but we know the x will be 0. We took x as a 0 and we found y as a 8. And this is our y-intercept. Our y-intercept written can be written in the coordinate form, that is 0 comma 8, or it can be written that y-intercept is equals to 8. Whenever it is given like this, y-intercept is equals to 8, you need to understand what does it mean. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see the line, the graph. Okay, on this graph the black color dots are representing that there are so many points. There are so many points lying on this line. Infinitely many points are there, but this 2 point which we found just now, these two are really important point. One is known as x-intercept, another is known as y-intercept. Don't try memorizing the formula that for finding the x-intercept we have to take y as a 0, and for finding the y-intercept we have to take x as a 0. Rather than that, try understanding that why we are taking y as a 0 over there and x as a 0 over here. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Okay, now when we are having the coordinate axis, that is x-axis, first thing, do you know that whenever we are having if I'm writing x is equals to 25, this is an equation. Why? Because equality sign is there. Okay, in mathematics, wherever equality sign will be there, left hand side, right hand side will be there. No matter what is sitting on the left side, what is there on the right side, we will be calling it an equation. Okay, two things are there: expression, equation. Expression looks like algebraic expression, or expression looks like x plus 2 plus y. This is an algebraic expression. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and equation means just equality sign will be there. Okay, it is okay. Even if you are having x equals to 25, it's an equation. Okay, if you are having x plus y is equals to 32, it's an equation. Okay, so just equality sign has to be there. Whatever is there on the left side, whatever is there on the right side, it's an equation. So now here, let's see. If we are having, okay, the x-axis over here and the y-axis over here, just the coordinate axis I have drawn. Now there is a equation for x-axis. Okay, equation of x-axis we are having, which you have never ever heard this terminology, equation of x-axis. And we also have equation of y-axis. equation of x-axis is y is equals to 0. Why? Because any coordinate you take, always whatever will be x, y will be 0. Whatever will be x, y will be 0. Whatever will be the x value, y will be 0. Hence, there is a equation for x-axis, that is y is equals to 0. And for y-axis, we have a equation that is, please tell me. Please tell me for y-axis, what can be the equation? Even if you have to guess, please guess it. For y-axis, what can be the equation? X-axis equation is y is equals to 0. So y-axis equation will be
X equal to 0.
yeah, because on y-axis, in each and every coordinate, okay, whatever is the y value, x is 0. Are you getting it? Is it a formula?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a okay. It's a predefined thing that equation of x-axis is y is equals to 0 and equation of y-axis is x equals to 0. Now we are not saying okay randomly. There is a reason behind it and you are understanding the reason, right? Right? Please
Yes,
note it.
ma'am.
When you will solve question, these terminology will come. X-intercept, okay, equation of x-axis, equation of y-axis. These things will be there. Okay. Let me know if you are done with noting down.
Then, ma'am.
Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mariam, Manvi, Neha, have you
Yes,
copied?
ma'am.
Have you copied equation of x-axis and equation of y-axis?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Mariam, are you done? Yes, Mariam, are you done? Can you hear me? Please let me know if you are not. Okay, let's move. Now the next concept, let's do one question. Wait, before that I need to explain one more concept. Suppose we are having one equation that is y is equals to 2 and I want to make the graph of it. Okay, y is equals to 2. Let's make the graph of this line. Okay, graphing you have learned in previous class. In class 10, pair of linear equation, you have learned how to draw the graph, okay, of a linear equation. So if we are having a linear equation that is y is equals to 2, how to plot the graph? Let's see. So when y, you used to make the table over there. Okay, you used to take the x value, y value like this, the table. Here x, here y. Now, if you will take x as randomly, you take x as any number. If you will take x as a 0, your y will be 2. If you will take y as a, okay, if you will take x as a 1, randomly, suppose you are taking x as a 1, okay, in this equation, where you will put the x value? So still your y will be 2. If you will take x as a 3, okay, randomly we have to take few x value, we have to put it in the equation to take out the y value, right? To plot the equation, these steps you were following in the previous class, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, randomly any x value you can pick, -1, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, anything, and you can put it in the original given equation, and from there you were getting a y value. But for this one, where you will put the x value? Randomly I have chosen x as a 0. Okay, I'm not able to put x anywhere in this rectangular box, the original equation. So we got y as a 2. If I took x as a 1, we don't have any x over here, still y is 2. If I have taken x as a 3, still y will be 2. If I will take x as a minus 1, still y will be 2. If I will take x as a minus 3, still y will be 2. Are you getting? Whatever x you will take, y will be 2, because where you will exactly put the x value? Yes or no? Y is constant, that is 2 for any x. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if we understand and if we locate these coordinates which we found just now, these coordinates, that is 0 comma 2, okay, 1 comma 2, these coordinates, if we will locate on the coordinate axis, 0 comma 2, okay, x is 0, y is 2 here, okay, x is 0, y is 2, this is the point. 1 comma 2, x is 1, y is 2 here, okay. 3 comma 2, x is 3, y is 2. Even if you will take x as a 2, y will be 2. Okay, you have taken x as a minus 1, y is 2. You have taken x as a minus 2, y will be 2. Okay, so the graph will look like this one, passing through 2, parallel to x-axis. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when we are having a equation y is equals to 2, we are trying to plot the graph, which we don't have to. We need to understand over here, and from now onward, whenever we will be having x as a 3, x as a minus 1, or maybe y as a 3, y as a minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, directly we will plot the graph. How we will plot the graph? So if we are having y is equals to 2, we need to understand whatever is x, y is 2. And the graph will look like this. Yes, Manvi, Mariam, Neha, are you getting how we have plotted the graph? Whatever is x, y is 2, passing through this point. Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if we have to plot y is equals to minus 2, now we will not try making the table and all, directly we can draw. If we have to plot y is equals to minus 2, we know the graph will move parallel to x-axis and passing through a point where y is negative 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so equation of a line parallel to x-axis looks like this. Okay, equation of a line parallel to x-axis looks like this. Y is equals to minus 2. Okay, now in case we'll be having x equals to something, let's say in case we are having x equals to 5, the graph of this equation will look like whatever is y. Okay, if y is 1, when y is 1, x is 5. When y is 2, x is 5. When y is 3, x is 5. When y is 4, x is 5. When y is 0, x is 5. When y is negative 1, x is 5. When y is negative 2, x is 5. And this will be the graph of x equals to 5 passing through x is equals to 5. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this graph is parallel to y-axis. Can you see? It's parallel to y-axis passing through the point 5 comma 0. Is it making sense? Okay, so equation of a line, in case anywhere it will be written that equation of line parallel to y axis, it must click in our mind that it must be x equals to something. Making sense? Making sense? Okay. Are you
Yes.
getting it? Equation of a line parallel to y-axis will look like this. Yes or no? K can be positive, can be negative. It's a number. It's a constant. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. And for the previous one, here, equation of line parallel to x-axis. Is it making sense? Note
Yes,
it
ma'am.
down. Please note it down. Because these are formulas. Okay, whatever we are discussing over here, these are rule. X-intercept, there is a rule. Y-intercept, there is a rule. Equation of x-axis, rule. Equation of y-axis, okay, it's a predefined equation we are having, which we have to keep in mind. Equation of a line parallel to x-axis looks like this. Equation of a line parallel to y-axis looks like that. Okay, so first note it down, then I am scrolling, and then you can note that one and let me know, please. Once you are done with this one, please let me know that, yeah, you are done. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's scroll down. This one. Is it done? Are you done with this one?
Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Yes, Manvi, Neha, Aisha, Mariam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. Yeah. Now we'll be solving this question. If you have understood the rules and everything, the concepts so far, find the equation of lines parallel to axis. That means we have to find equation of line which is parallel to axis, means parallel to x-axis as well as parallel to y-axis, passing through this point. So let's locate this point first. Then only we will have idea how to draw the line, the parallel lines. Okay. So this point, passing through this point means let's locate this point. X is -2, y is 3. So here is the coordinate, which is x is -2 and y is 3, right? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have through this line, through this point, -2, 3, we have to draw a line which is parallel to x-axis as well as parallel to y-axis. Two lines we have to draw. First, let's draw a line parallel to x-axis. So the line will look like this. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
We will write equation of line parallel to x-axis passing through -2, 3. Now, just now we have seen how exactly the equation looks like. Parallel to x-axis. So we will see this type of line. Is it y is equals to k or x equals to k? You have already noted it down. Please tell me, is it x equals to k or y is equals to k?
Y is equal to K.
Y is equals to k, yes or no? It will be y is equals
Yes.
to k, and that k is nothing but just this number passing through this y is equals to 3, 3 comma, 0 comma 3. Yes or no? That k value is nothing but just this y-intercept. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it making sense to all of you? Can I write equation of line parallel to x-axis passing through? Okay. It passes through -2 comma 3, but the equation will be y is equals to 3. Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Manvi, Neha, Aisha, Mariam, are you getting it? Can we say it will be y is equals to k? That means k value will be 3 over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is, we are done with the first part. Okay, one of the answer we have already written. Now we just need to write the another answer. Okay, equation of line parallel to x-axis, we are done with that. Now we will check equation of a line parallel to y-axis. Now we will check equation of a line parallel to y-axis and passing through, of course, this -2 comma 3. Okay, parallel to y-axis like this. Please tell me what will be the equation of this line.
Equal to K.
X equals to,
K minus 2.
yes, yes, Nabila, what you said?
X equal to K
X equals to k, and here k is,
minus 2.
yes. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
It will be x equals to k, and k is -2 over here. So we are done with the answer. Can you see x equals to minus 2. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It was really simple. Now read the question and see the solution. Will you be able to do this type of question all by yourself without any help? You just need to decode, okay, what is written in the language is mathematical language. You need to decode it, find the equation of lines. That means there are lines. One line is not there. Okay, more than one lines are there. Two lines are there. Parallel to axis. That means x-axis and y-axis. Passing through this one. This is really, really, really important point. If this point, okay, minus 2 comma 3 will not be given, then we will not be able to say what is the k value. But since minus 2 comma 3 is given, and our equation is passing through this point, on the basis of that we are finding the k. Okay, equation of line parallel to x-axis will be y is equals to 3, and equation of a line parallel to y-axis will be x equals to minus 2. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone having any confusion? No,
No,
right?
ma'am.
Have you copied this solution, everyone? Have you noted it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move. Now we are having few rules. Okay. For example, suppose we have to make suppose we have to make different shapes of chocolates. Okay, we have 3 4 molds. Okay, mold. One is heart shape mold, one is teddy bear shape mold. Okay, if we want to make chocolate which is containing the, okay, chocolate with heart shape, we will just pour the chocolate in the mold containing heart shape mold, and we will be getting a chocolate which is heart shaped. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If we have to make a rectangular shape, okay, this shaped chocolate, so we will just put the liquid in of chocolate in this mold, and we will be getting a rectangular shaped chocolate. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, here we are having few formulas for finding the equation of a line. Okay, we will see the formula, and according to the given situation, we will be using the formula. All the formulas are for the same purpose, for getting the equation of a line. First, let's discuss it, then you will be able to relate it with this concept. Just give me a second. So let's see the formulas first, then you will understand that what I am talking about. So suppose we are having, okay, for the first formula is known as point slope form. We are having the coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, directly I am showing you the formula. Okay, the formula is y minus, okay, you call it y0 or you call it y1. This is a formula for finding the equation of a line. Just a second. So finding equation of line with different situations, that means when we are having a line, this line slope is provided to you, that the slope of the line is already given to you, a value 2, 3, -3, -4. Okay, and you are having a point also lying on this line, x1, y1. If you know a point and the slope as well, if you know directly in the question a point is given and the slope is also given, then you can use this formula to take out the equation of this line. Slope means, you understand, a random point is given, that also you are getting it. Now here, don't get confused. See, what we are trying to do, we are trying to make equation. Okay, equation of line. Equation of line we are trying to create. It will contain two variables, okay, x and y. So here x and y, you don't have to touch that, you don't have to disturb them. We are trying to create a equation, just like 2x plus 3y is equals to 24, it's a equation. Just the way x plus y is equals to 13, it's a equation containing two variable. Yeah, okay, it's a equation. Similarly, we are trying to create equation, we are trying to find equation of the line. So definitely our answer will look like this example. Maybe x plus y is 13, maybe 2x plus y is 24. Just like this, we will be having an equation. And how we will create the equation? When the slope will be given and one of the point will be given on this line. With the help of that, we will be able to create the equation. It's just like a mold. You just have to put the data over here and directly you will be getting an equation of a line. Are you getting my point? Now, a student always get
Yes,
confused
ma'am.
with this x1, y1 and xy. Okay, they start thinking that where to put the value, x1, y1 or xy. Okay, if suppose here only I will give you the slope is m is equals to 5 and the point is 2 comma 3. Now you will start thinking where to put this 2 and where to put this 3. Is it xy value or x1, y1? So again, I am repeating, you are trying to create a equation. Xy will be there in your equation. You are supposed to put x1, y1. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's create a equation with this data. So what we will do, y minus y1. This is x1, this is y1. Our equation will be y minus y1 is 3 is equals to slope is given, m is given as a 5. So 5 in bracket x minus x1 is 2. We are done. We have to simplify it a bit to write the equation in the standard format, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. We have to make this equation like that. Let's make it. So we will be having y minus 3 is equals to 5x minus 10. That means we can write it as a, you can take this 5x and all to this side. So you will be having minus 5x plus y is equals to minus 10 plus 3. This way you can do. So you will be having minus 5x plus y is equals to minus 7. What you did, you have created the equation of this line with the help of the given data. How? Already I have given you the mold. In this mold, you have to drop all the data and you will be getting the equation. Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Manvi, Neha, Mariam, are you getting how to use this formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you will ask me from where the formula came. So formula came from slope concept only. Okay, actually it came from the slope concept. I am drawing the figure beside it clearly. Okay, if you will be able to understand just by looking at the figure, great. Otherwise, from where the formula came, much more than that, how to use the formula, that is really important. Okay, in today's class, we will be seeing how to use the formula. Each and every formula derivation, I will not show you. Every time I will draw the figure properly so that you can see that from where exactly we are getting the formula. So let me draw the figure properly. This example, even if you are not noting down, it's completely fine. We will be solving few questions just now related to, okay, this form, this structure of the formula is called point slope form. Focus on the name, point. That means 1 point will be given. Slope, that means 1 slope will be given. And what you have to do? Create the equation of line. Okay, let me draw the figure properly. Yeah, this is the whole explanation. Again, I am telling you, I will not show you the derivation of the formula. If you are able to understand that from this green part only we are getting the formula. Is it making sense?
Yes.
Yes, everyone. Is it making sense? You need to know the formula that we have for finding the equation of a line. We have a formula called point slope form. And this is the formula. From here, from this figure, we got the formula. Is it clear to all of you? Please note it down. We will be solving few questions related to it. And yeah, let me know once you are done with noting down the formula.
That was.
Done? Yes, Manvi, Neha, Mariam, Aisha, are you done with noting down the formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the question over here says that find the equation of a line through this point with this slope. Okay, back to back, I'll be giving you 4 5 formula. So you just need to understand by reading the question that, okay, in this question, 1 point is given and the slope is given. That means we need to use point slope form. Are you getting?
Yes.
Are you getting? Okay. Now we will write, we know point slope form. For getting the equation of a line. Okay, point slope form for getting the equation of a line is y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. We understand m is nothing but just the slope. Okay, so y we don't have to disturb. Okay, our equation will contain x and y. So y we will leave as it is. Y1 we will be taking 3. M is given as a minus 4. X we will not disturb this x. X1 we will be taking minus 2, so minus of minus 2. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
What are we trying to do? We are trying to create a equation. We are trying to create a equation of a line x plus 2. Now we will apply distributive property. We will open the bracket over here just to write this equation is in the standard form, in the general form of equation of a line. So we'll be writing y minus 3 is equals to minus 4x minus 8. You can write it as a 4x plus y is equals to minus 8 plus 3. That is 4x plus y is equals to minus 5. Either you write like this or you write like this. 4x plus y plus 5 is equals to 0. Both are fine. Okay, we got the equation of a line passing through the given point, having the slope this one. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do it quickly. Done. Can I take the next question?
Yes.
Will you be able to do this question? Find the equation of a line passing through this point, having the slope this one. Okay, point is given, slope is given. Point is given, slope is given. So which form you have to use? Point slope form. Now you don't have you don't have any confusion because just now I have given the rule and one and only one rule you are having in hand. But we are having 4 5 different formats, and when you will know all these 4 5 formats, then you have to recall every time what is given, point and slope. That means you have to use point slope form. Okay, all these 4 5 formulas are having different names, and according to the name, okay, if you will focus on the name, you will be able to understand, you will be able to after reading the question, you will be able to analyze which formula to use where. Okay, so that's why I am repeating here as well that point and slope is given. So which formula? Point slope form. Okay, what is point slope form? It must be there in your tips. Okay, that is y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. Here you are confident that you don't have to put x and y value. You are supposed to put x1 and y1. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm not going to do this one. You will be able to do by yourself. So let's uh, take the next question. Yeah, you can note down the question meanwhile. You can note down the question, okay, and you can leave the space so that after the class you can do it by yourself. Okay, meanwhile I am taking the next question. This one. Okay, question number 2. Find the equation of a line passing through this point with the slope this one. What you have to use? Point slope form. That is y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. If you will ask that m is not given over here, no worries. You need to leave m as it is. Okay. That's how answer is expected from us. Yeah, we need to understand here x1, y1 is 0, 0. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
M will. So the equation of a line will be y is equals to mx. You can write it as a mx minus y is equals to 0 or minus mx plus y is equals to 0. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
We want to do this question. Okay, yes, anyone, if you want to notice these questions, okay, please note it down. The previous one, have you noted? Minus 4, 3 and slope 1 by 2. Manvi, Neha, Aisha, Nabila, Mariam.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now this one, number 2. Let's do number 3. Find the equation of a line passing through 2. Okay, this coordinate. Okay, and it is completely fine. 2 comma 2 root 3. This is given coordinate. We have to take coordinate, can be anything, you know, on number line. All this is not okay, actually the name is real number. Okay, real line. Here all the real numbers are sitting. So if the point is given as a 2 root 3, that is completely fine. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so a point is given and the slope, see, the slope is not given, and inclined with x-axis at an angle of 75 degree. We have to find the slope. We have to find the slope. We know last day we have learned a formula where m is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That was one formula, and another formula was m is equals to tan theta. Okay, where theta is the angle angle with the positive x-axis. The line is creating angle with the positive x-axis, that is theta. Here the same inclination is given with x-axis. So we will be taking tan of 75 degree. Now, how to find tan 75? We have to find it. Okay, let's check how to do. Can we take tan 45 plus 30? Yes or no? No. 4, 5, 6,
Yes,
7.
ma'am.
We can. We can take, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And in trigonometry, we have a formula. Anyone who doesn't know, let me write the formula over here. In trigonometry chapter, we are having a formula here in class 11, not in class 10. We have a formula that tan A minus B formula is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. So this formula we will put over here. Making sense to all of you? What are we doing? We are just trying to find the slope. The moment we will have a slope in our hand, then we can use point slope form to create the equation of a line. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Neha, Manvi, Mariam, Aisha, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's use the formula tan A. Okay, A minus B I have written. A plus B formula. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus, okay, tan A into tan B. This is the formula. So tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Is it clear? We'll be just dropping the value. Tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees. Please tell me quickly. What is the value for tan 45? 1, right?
Yes.
Tan 30 is sin 30 by cos 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So by root 3 by 2. So will it be 1 by root 3? One minus 1 into 1 by root 3. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, now we will be doing the simplification. In numerator, we are having 1 plus 1 by root 3. In denominator, we are having 1 minus 1 by root 3. And what are we going to get? Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Okay, if please check. Okay, this denominator, are you understanding the simplification part?
Yes.
Okay, it will get cancelled out. If you will check the simplification, in numerator, you will be having, there are two ways. Okay, either you take the LCM or you do the rationalization. Better you do the rationalization. Rationalization means you rationalize this 1 by root 3 by doing the multiplication. By doing so, you will be having 1 plus root 3 by 3. Getting it? Getting it?
Yes.
Okay, either you can do directly or you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
do rationalization like this. Okay, shall I explain this calculation part? Yes, Manvi, Mariam, Neha, Aisha, this type of calculation you have done in class 10. Shall I explain it again?
No, ma'am.
This one. Okay, you can take the LCM as a root 3. Here you will be having root 3. Here you will be having just 1. Okay, same in the denominator. You can take LCM as a root 3. Here you will be having root 3. Here you will be having 1. This is one of the method. Okay. After this step, you will find that by doing the reciprocal and all, root 3 is cancelling out each other. And this is what we are getting. What we got? Slope. What we got? Slope. Okay. This is slope we are having. Still we have to find the equation of a line. equation of a line still we have to find by using the point slope form. We will say we know point slope form is y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. Okay, our y will remain as it is. Y1 here 2 comma 2 root 3 was there, so 2 root 3 is equals to m. This is our m. You can write it as it is, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. X minus x1, x minus 2. Now, yeah, you have to do a little bit simplification over here. How? By doing crisscross multiplication you can do. Is it clear to everyone what we are doing and how we are doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are just trying to find the equation of a line. But here the slope was not given to us directly. Angle was given. So with the help of the angle, we are finding the slope first. While finding the slope, we realized we are having tan 75 degree. And we started thinking now what to do. Then we realized, yeah, we can break this angle, and we can use tan A plus B formula. We use that. We got the slope. Now we are using the slope for finding the equation of a line. This is not the final answer which I have written on the screen. Still, we need to simplify it to get the final answer. Crisscross multiplication you have to do. Final answer will look like in this general form of equation of a line in two variable. It will look like in this format ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Either you write in this format or you write ax plus by is equals to c in this format. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Note it down. Let me know once you are done. I'll scroll down. You can note the next part over there.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Yes, Manvi, Neha, Mariam. Are you done, Aisha? Done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the next part. Let me know once you are done. Can we move?
Done, ma'am.
Done. Now the next formula, that is the name of the formula is 2-point form. I am giving you another mold. To do what? To create again equation of a line. Okay. Here coordinate axis will be there. Okay. A line equation you will be finding when 2 points will be given. As the name, read the name, 2-point form. Okay. So this formula, when 2 points are given, then we will be using this formula, that is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 in bracket x minus x1. Now you should not get confused that how to use this formula. Here y1, x1, y2, x2, these are the things, these are the values which you have to put over here. Okay, without getting confused. X and y you are not going to touch. Why? Because you want to create a equation of a line that will contain x and y. Okay, two variable. And it came from the previous formula. If you are noticing, this is nothing but just m. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this formula came from the previous formula only. So why are we having this formula? Because every time slope will not be given to you. So that time you can use this formula. If you are thinking, yeah, but when we can find slope at first and then we can use the previous formula, yeah, it's the same thing. Either using this formula or finding the slope and using the previous formula, it's the same thing. Am I making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So here 2 point will be given. Whenever 2 point will be given, you can use this formula. In assertion reason based question, in MCQ question, if it says that 2 point formula is this one, then you should say, yeah, this is the formula. Y minus y1 is equals to the slope formula, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 in bracket x minus x1. We will be using this formula when 2 point will be given. So let me give you one example. Find the equation of a line passing through minus 1, 1 and 2, comma negative 4. Okay, the above formula will be using over here to find the equation of a line. Yeah, the formula is, we know, 2 point form. Y minus y1 is equals to x y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 in bracket x minus x1. Here we will substitute, you can say the first point x1 y1 and the second point x2 y2. Will you get confused while putting the values from the point over here? Yes. Is it difficult?
No, ma'am.
Okay, we will just put the value y1 as a just one. Okay, x2, y2, x1, y1, everything we will substitute. And then, yeah, we have to simplify it a bit to get the equation of a line. Okay, we have to write it in the standard form, in the general form. Is it clear? So far I have given you two formula. Okay, the first formula you will be using when the point is given and the slope is given. The second formula you will be using when 2 points are given. The second formula just came from the first formula only. Just the another variation having a proper name or specific name. We need to know the name, we need to know the formula. And yeah, when 2 point directly is given, lying on the line, when you know 2 point lying on the line, any 2 point, any 2 point, then you can use this formula. Is it clear?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
note it down. Please note it down. Simplification, I mean the calculation and then simplification you will be able to do by yourself. Nabila, Manvi, Aisha, Mariam, Neha, will you be able to do the calculation and simplification part by yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Please note down the steps and the formula as well. Next class, I'll be giving you three more formulas, and then all the different types of question I'll be showing you. Now, according to the given data, you will be picking the formula according to the given formula. Okay. The data, whatever data will be given, accordingly, you will pick the formula. The motto is same, getting the equation of a line.
Done, ma'am.
Done. So yeah, I am keeping this much over here. Okay. In the next exercise from your book, check the questions. First few questions you will be able to do by yourself. Okay, when the slope and the point is given, it is asking to find the equation of a line. Please do it by yourself. When 2 points are given, it is asking find the equation of a line. Please do it. When it is asking what is the equation of x-axis and what is the equation of y-axis, you will be able to write the equation. Okay, x-axis equation is y is equals to 0 and y-axis